Welcome. In front of me I have Doogee X80 and I'm going to show you how you can turn on or off autocorrection. So at the first we have to go for the settings. Right now we have to scroll down and go for the system. Click for the languages and input. Go for the virtual keyboard and tap on the Gboard. And right now we have to enter for the text correction. And when we scroll down we can find the autocorrection options. So if you want to turn it off, just click here, and when you want to turn it on, tap it one more time. So that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel. See ya!